welcome back to my channel. What I thought we would do is try out a couple new products that I got. I've been watching another channel and it made me rush on out and get these products to try. I'm gonna try it against the products that I use every day. If I can find it. I got all kinds of stuff. I need to clean my makeup drawer out because, oh my god, I got so much junk. Anyway, another YouTuber, her name is Onwin. She's from the UK. Hilarious. I'm going to link her down below. Y'all are going to love her. She did a review and impression on the mascara, the Loreal Extra Fiber Volumous Extra Fiber Mascara that they got out now. And it looked like it did a miraculous job. So I rushed out and bought it. What I typically wear is Benefit's They're Real. So like her, I am going to try my regular on the left and the new on the right. I'm not really fond of the fibrous type mascara, but it did such a fabulous job on her eyelashes. I'm gonna try it. So let's get started. Let me get a drink first, because you hear my scratchy throat. Telling you, Mid-Ohio Valley crud. Okay, so I'll put this on the left-hand side. If you're wondering, there's a mirror down below you. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. I'm just a middle-aged chicko. I have RA, so I don't go outside much. So this is kind of my way to have adult conversation. Actually, it's my way of talking to my dogs that's laying here on the floor, but I have PTSD and anxiety, and people get on my nerves, so I don't really go out very much, honestly. So, I discovered this YouTube thing, and actually, I really like it. Because sometimes when I, I'll find myself like sitting and just talking to the camera. It's very therapeutic, so if you have never done it, don't make fun. I'm serious, you ought to give it a whirl. Okay. You ever notice that when you put mascara on, you make the jacked up faces? So there is the typical everyday mascara that I wear. So, according to this, look at the pretty packaging it has. It's a double ender. Oh, it even has like step 1, step 2 for us renobs that don't know how to do anything. Alright. Let's see what we got going on. Step 1. Are we supposed to let it dry? I didn't even read it. Who needs directions? It's supposed to be warm this week here in Ohio. Well, warm the first couple days, and then snow. Really? Well, I mean, really, it is January. What did I expect? It was supposed to be like 80. Okay, so step 2 on the other end. Oh, the applicator or the brush is not big. I figured that it would be big. Didn't we all? I'm the grossest person in the world. I should not be doing a YouTube channel. Oh well, welcome to my channel. We talk about some really gross shit here. I curse. And if you can't handle it, well, then don't watch. Life sucks. And I like to cuss. You know, they once told me, a person cusses or curses or what, I say cuss because, well, I'm ghetto like that. A person cusses because they don't know a word. No, fucker, I want to say the F word or the B word or whatever word I say. I do say the F word a lot. I'll try to say flunk on here a lot because it does really make a person sound. This is actually really nice. I mean, it don't really make your eye look spidery because you know usually the fibers it makes your eyes look spidery. I really like it. What do you guys think? This is the double banger. That's what I'm going to call it. Double banger. And this is my benefits every day. I like it a lot. And I'm not... Let me put another coat over here. Yeah. And I'm not really one for fibrous type mascara, but I have to be honest with you guys. It's pretty good shit. This is Loreal Volumous Superstar X Fiber Mascara. Dude, I'm glad I got it. And they got it in waterproof, non-waterproof, you know the drill. I'll put it down below so you can go out and look for it. I got mine at Walmart. I think it was like $8.97 or something. This is nice. And I don't like to wear false eyelashes because I wear glasses. So if you wear glasses and you still want your eyelashes to show up, this is a good mascara. Give it a whirl. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe and share this sucker video here to everybody that you know and tell everybody that you know. Look, it's free to subscribe to this chick's channel. She old. She can't get out of the house. Feel sorry for her. Whatever you need to do, people, to get them to subscribe. Do your thing. Go. I'll wait for you. Go. I'll wait. Go. I'll wait.